Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about synthetic biology. Synthetic biology is very important for gender science topic, and this is always if we see something in the Sunday newspapers and Hindu newspapers, it's always in the news. And this is not a new term, but it is not just known that synthetic biology. Now, this synthetic biology is the science of using genetic sequencing, editing, and modification. And using these methods, they create unnatural organisms or organic molecules that can function in human or any other living forms. That is, the synthetic biology helps to design and create a new sequence of DNA from scratch. And this also helps in the functioning of all the living organisms. If you see recently in the experiments, the scientists they found a new way of saving the heart through human pick. It is also called as one of the synthetic biology. Now, if you see this application of synthetic biology, that is to detect abnormal parts in human body, and after detecting, they also to repair genetic repairing. It also helps in finding out any genetic defective parts, and if the newborn baby has some genetic issues, and also helps in protein designing and finding out if there are any diseases or abnormalities in genetics. Any genetic diseases is also helps in formation of product synthesis. That is, nowadays we do a lot of scientific things. For example, whenever we see any oil spill, so they use bioremediation, that is, they use living organisms, microorganisms to eat away that oil. And synthetic genomics design a simple genome for natural bacteria. That is, we used yeast to produce bread. These are all small things, and even in the formation of alcohol, that the alcohol which is made, even that even that also is made from bacteria. It is the fermentation process, and there are medicines sometimes which are used are made with the synthetic biology process. So there are many examples which are there where synthetic biology is used. Now, what are the disadvantages of it? Like, all the scientific things has advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes if we use properly, it has advantages. If we don't use properly, it has disadvantages. So in this, it has negative environmental health. That is, if we see, if by mistake, by our accidentally, if any organism, genetic organism is released, like how if you see there was a pandemic and it was said that the virus is from the lab. So if anything like that accidentally happens, and it will spread to the whole world, and it will spoil the environment. It will have a great impact on human and environment as well as. And misuse of these technologies will have great environmental damage. And there is also ethical concerns. That is, sometimes scientists even make artificial animals. There is a concern that all the characters of the animal are as if same with the natural animals. So these are the main concerns of and impacts of synthetic biology. So that's all for today, friends. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.